How to change resume on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open LinkedIn on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Me at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on Settings and Privacy. After you click on Settings and Privacy in here on the left side, scroll down and click on Data Privacy. Then scroll down in Data Privacy and go to Job Seeking Preferences. In there, click on Job Application Settings. After that, you'll find your previous resume in here. Simply remove it by clicking on Delete. After that, you can press on Upload Resume and then upload your new resume. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to change resume on LinkedIn. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.